Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how you can fix your card was declined by the issuing bank. Please try a different card or contact your card issuer with questions. So first, you just need to open your PayPal page and then make sure to log in your account. Now here you can see PayPal typically declines a credit card when not enough credit or funds are available on your card. The card issuer wants to verify that the transaction is legitimate. So here, as you can see, the common reason why you have this error is you don't have enough credit or funds available on your card. So if you want to link your card, make sure that you have $5 or euro depending on your credit card so you can connect your bank to your account. Then if you have the funds, make sure to verify the transaction is legitimate. So once you connect your account, contact your bank and ask them to confirm your PayPal account by giving you the code for your confirmation. But if the problem persists, you just need to click on contact us and you just have to contact people about this error. And basically, we have some articles that can help you to fix this issue. Just basically go right here and you'll find the solutions. Just follow all the instructions here to basically fix your card was declined by the PayPal. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.